Hi guys, today I will show you how to convert your external hard drive into Windows 10 portable hard drive. So let's begin. Okay, here we are. So first you need this image file which contains Windows 10 in it. I will provide you with the link in the description. And the other thing is external hard drive, of course, connected to the machine where you will prepare your portable Windows, and Windows to Go, which is built-in application in Windows 10. Start Windows to Go and just open it. As you can see, it detects my external hard drive. So I'll select it and click next. So here it's looking for destination of the Vim file. I will show it. In my case it is on the desktop, so I just select folder and select it and click next. Here skip. Okay, create. I will fast forward the process because it takes time. Okay, now we are ready. Let's restart and switch back to the camera. So here we have few more steps. The hard disk is ready now. I have to choose my boot menu, which in my case on HP is F9, and it takes me the possibility to choose from where I want to boot. I'll boot with USB hard drive. So as you can see, it boots from my hard drive, my external hard drive. In your case, you have to make a research which key is for your boot menu. You can write me in the comments and I will try to help you. it restarts itself again, and you have to choose again your boot menu. And boot from hard drive. Another option is to choose to boot first on external media into your BIOS, but this is more faster way. It configures something. And choose country. Yes. Skip. Skip for now. No. Test. Next. Password nothing. No. Accept. So now you have your portable Windows ready, and you can do whatever you want. So if you like this kind of content, please like the video, share, subscribe, and everything like that. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.